I am Professor Pyramid, your guide to learning Rithmomachia. Welcome. This tutorial explains what progressions are and how to use them to win. In Rithmomachia, there are three types of victories. 1. Victory by siege. You win if your opponent can't make a legal move. 2. Common victories. You and your opponent agree beforehand on a number, such as 4 or 10, of enemy pieces that must be captured to declare a win. Alternatively, you can agree beforehand on the total value of enemy pieces that must be captured, such as 100 or 500, to declare a win. 3. Proper victories. You win once you have 3 friendly pieces whose values form a progression all inside enemy territory, your opponent's half of the board. This lesson explains what progressions are, so you can use this powerful method to win games. There are arithmetic, geometric and harmonic progressions. Arithmetic progression. Values with constant difference. The step, for example, 16, 36, 56, with step 20. Highlighted are the examples: 2, 9, 16, with step 7, and 7, 16, 25, with step 9. Highlighted are the examples: 4, 20, 36, with step 16, and 15, 20, 25, with step 5. Highlighted are the examples: 28, 64, 100, with step 36, and 49, 169, 289, with step 120. There are many other examples besides these. Can you find any? Geometric progression. Values with constant ratios. Example with white circles: 2, 4, 8, with ratio 2. Another example: 4, 16, 64, with ratio 4. Yet another example: 9, 12, 16, with ratio 4/3. One more example: 81, 153, 289, with ratio 17/9. Yet another example: 81, 90, 100, with ratio 10/9. There are many other examples besides these. Can you find some? Harmonic progression. 1/A, 1/B, 1/C forms an arithmetic progression. Classic example: 9, 15, 45, with inverted step 2/45. To be honest, there aren't many examples of this type of progression. White's 9, 16, 72 is the only other, with inverted with step 7/144. We call a fireteam. To borrow firefighting terminology, any 3 of your pieces whose values form a progression. To win by proper victory, move a fireteam into enemy territory. The imaginative medieval monks believed that such a fireteam corresponds to 3 coordinated soldiers inside the enemy fortress, which they equated with a victory. Thank you for watching this video about progressions and winning methods in Rithmomachia. This is Professor Pyramid signing off. I hope to see you in another Rithmomachia lesson soon.